Hi friends! Again, this is an unboxing and user review of a very common and useful product, vacuum cleaner. Main objective of this channel to aware my viewers about products' usefulness and real use in our daily life. Today I am going to unboxing and unbiased review of Karcher WD one's vacuum cleaner. Please stay with me for final verdict. As per specification mentioned on the box, it is a 3-in-1 machine. Those are dry suction, wet suction, and powerful blowing. I have purchased from Flipkart with a price tag of 5,680 rupees. In this price range, series of different vacuum cleaners are available in the market. But Karcher is one of my favorite brand both in industrial and home appliance category. Let's explain one by one. Price of product should be budget. Suction power sufficiently good as a home appliance. All the functions like wet suction, dry suction, and blower. Stainless steel body. All necessary accessories required for vacuum cleaning. Good after-sales service. And aesthetically appealing. Will this product fulfill all the requirements, or I have chosen a wrong product/model? Yes, it is enough powerful for wet and dry suction. Quality of plastic and metal body, and finish really German standard. Off and on switch ergonomically positioned, and size is sufficiently big. Cord length also long enough of 5 meter. Blowing action is like a storm. Shape and size of this vacuum cleaner is very appealing with combination of black and yellow. Decent noise level. No paper filter required, and it is replaced with synthetic bag, surely another added advantage. Reasonably lightweight to lift. What I do not like is its main hose mounting technology with the body. Flimsy's feeling, no auto winding of cable. Cable anchoring point not defined. Non-bag, less technology. Unfortunately, this product is not made in India, but comes with German technology. Final verdict. In this price range, level of satisfaction is 95% and dissatisfaction only 5%. Final decision is yours.